how to change account on Duolingo app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Duolingo app on your device and make sure you are signed in. And now, in order to change your account, you will need to log out of the existing account first. So go ahead and tap on the three dots from the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the profile option. Now, tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen and scroll down and tap on the sign out button. Once signed out, tap on the add another account option you see there and further enter the login credentials for that particular account in order to log yourself in, and with this your account will be changed. So this is how you can change account on Duolingo app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.